Kaso nandito po tayo sa Summit View Park at tatanungin ko sila ng kanilang life verse. Simulan kay Ate Vivian.
Hi! My life verse is Isaiah 60:22. When the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen.
No, punta tayo kay Ate Rex.
Hi! My life verse is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a bright future.
No, kay Ate Jeya.
Be strong and be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go.
Kay Jawa.
So yun ako, Exodus chapter 14 verse 14, be still and I the Lord will fight for you.
Okay, kay Kuya Joshua.
Roma 10:11, hindi nabibigo ang nagtitiwala sa Panginoon.
Kay Ate Nika.
Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
No, kay Ate Jana.
Philippians chapter 4 verse 4. Rejoice in the Lord always.
Okay, sabi sa Philippians 1:21, for me to live in Christ and to die as gain. God bless.